Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Oh my god, I'm so excited to show you these two recipes. 1 minute easy breakfast recipes. These are called easy oats mug cake. I have added banana and peanut butter in this mug cake, and this is my favorite chocolate chip mug cake. So let's get started with the recipe and check out the ingredients. Having this in the morning, it just makes your day because oats are really healthy and you full for longer. So enjoy this recipe. And
everyone, so I actually got a stand and my mom is not recording this, so I can give my honest opinion on how I think these mug cakes are. Try and eat this right now. That is really good, and if I woke up to a breakfast like this, I would be so happy and I would be ready to just get the day started and everything. As you can see, I can barely taste the oats, which is a really good thing, but alright. Thank you. So apparently my mom told me that this is also sugarless, and let's try it. Ooh, the peanut butter is like melted. Do you guys see this? This is amazing. Look at that. Look at that consistency. This is also amazing. This is insane, guys. If you guys aren't subscribed to Foodland, what are you guys doing? Come on, people. For you guys to subscribe. I get so much delicious food from this, so please keep subscribing so that she pumps out more recipes.
alright guys, so today I'm going to show you two types of mug cakes. I am not using mug here, but I'm using small bowls just like this so that you can see it easily. So I'm making the first mug cake as peanut butter and banana mixture, and the second one is just the chocolate. So let's start with the ingredients. Here is my coarse oats. I have just taken store-bought oats and just grinded in a mixie jar. I have almost 1 cup of milk. We need half a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of agave mixture, or you can use sugar or honey, any sweetener of your choice. And I have almost half of banana. This is ripe banana. And for the chocolate, I'm taking this chocolate chips or chocolate morsels, and this is just for decoration. This is just the coconut rolls, and we have these two bowls. All right, so let's get started. All right, so let's mash this banana. This is ripe banana, so just get the fork, mash, mash, mash. Add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of agave. Give that a good mix. Just quick and easy breakfast 1-minute recipe, guys. No cooking, no boiling, anything. So alright, so this mixture looks good. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder because we're making a cake, so we need some baking powder here. And as I showed you before, I have coarse oats. These are just store-bought oats. I have just grinded it for about half a minute. So I'm adding 1, 2, and 3 tablespoons of oats. Mix it well. Let's add few tablespoons of milk so that we have that smooth paste here. Alright, so as you can see, this is the mixture. It is ready to go in the oven, microwave for 1 minute. Let's keep it in the microwave, close it, and add the setting to 1 minute. So I have this for 1 minute 30 seconds, And this looks completely baked, just like cake. And I have added the coconut rolls just for decoration. Again, toppings, you can add any toppings. So since it's a banana peanut butter, I'm just going to add some chopped bananas. And that's my breakfast ready, guys. Look at this, how beautiful this looks. Banana peanut butter oats mug cake. So let's move on to the next one. I'm just simply going to add some chocolate chips here. I'm going to save some for decoration, of course. So I've added about 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips, 3 tablespoons of oats, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of agave mix, and some milk, adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk just to get that liquid consistency. And mix. Alright, so here is my chocolate chips oats. So let's add in microwave for 1 minute 30. This is completely firm, as you can see, so make sure, depends on your microwave power. It might done it quickly than what I told you, so just make sure, just keep an eye. So again, I'm just adding just some decoration. You can add any toppings of your choice, and of course, since it's a chocolate chip oats, I'm just adding some more chocolate chips, more chocolatey. How about that? So this is my chocolate chip oats mug cake. And look at this, guys. This is literally done in 5 minutes. These 2 recipes done in 5 minutes. So I am so excited to have them as my breakfast. Alright, so once again, this is my peanut butter banana oats mug cake, my chocolate chip mug cake. This is no sugar, no artificial flavors here, so just all natural. And look at this, how beautiful and gorgeous this looks. And having this in the morning, it just makes your day. And enjoy making flavorful dishes with Foodland, and I'll see you next time in another video. Till then, take care, good day, bye bye. And as I always say, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe.